All right, everybody, what's up? Welcome. I had to bring back everyone's favorite fellow unboxer.
Who would have known?
You got tons of love, so I'm like, this is a fun one to do with you.
Right, and you picked, you know what? I had to step it up a little bit.
With what?
With my clothing, because last time...
What? You look great.
I noticed that somebody made a comment.
What'd they say?
You're somewhat fashionable, and a lot of people actually picked that out.
I think that it's better to get not the techie person's opinion all the time.
A normal person's opinion.
Yeah, a regular person's opinion. And also, they're kind of fashionable, so I figure like bringing a ladies.
Okay.
Okay,
So
I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to.
I need to take it up next time around. I mean, I am flattered that you brought me back. So let's go ahead and get to the meat and potatoes of why we're here.
So we haven't even opened this, but this is the new iMac. You know that Apple released new iMacs with colors? Do you know about that? She kind of follows it, but that's why it's fun to have you here.
I listen to you.
Yeah, so this is a new iMac. We're gonna unbox it. I'm not sure what color Apple actually got me. I did request a certain color.
Wait, so what colors? There's green. There's
all the rainbow colors: red, orange, yellow, green,
blue,
purple.
They have an orange one too?
Yeah. They technically red is pink, and then they have but okay, so this is how big this box is. A 24-inch iMac, the new iMac, 24 inches, everybody.
Wow.
So here, see, look, come here. Get on your tippy toes so we can see you. Yeah, that's how tall it is. So what we're gonna do here is
we're short people.
At least I'm gonna cut the. See, look careful, babe. I don't want to cut you. Do you want to do some of this also?
No, go ahead.
I don't want to say my catchphrase that got me in trouble last time.
Yeah, don't say it.
Okay, here, do this one. Slice down from here. Yeah.
If you don't have nothing nice to say,
don't say it
at all.
We're just slicing the box right now.
Okay,
Slice it. Yeah. Good job.
I don't know why you're letting me do this. I'm scared.
Talk this way, otherwise they can't.
Okay, here. Go ahead.
Okay, last one for me. Okay, careful, honey. Woo! You've never seen the box before. Let's lay it flat. Okay.
Ooh.
You won't be able to see it, but we'll flip it around for you. Okay, shall we do it? Oh, you know what? Ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Oh! Return shipping in case you want to return it.
That's from Apple. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, Apple provided this. But look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. Okay, here. Careful.
Kind of like the phone.
Okay. Oh, this is the 24-inch iMac. And look at this. Let's rotate around. Purple Mac. Purple iMac. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, so here, let me do this. I'm going to try and get rid of the big box. Okay, so you can slide that here. It's a massive though.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's like, it's ombre purple.
It's really nice. But then here's a cool detail. If you can't see from the top, I'll show you here. Look, it has the handle is. Did you feel it?
Yeah,
it's stitched. It's material. It's like a woven material.
So you just keep the box forever.
Yeah. Okay.
Kind of like I keep plastic on stuff. You keep the boxes too.
What do you think? What do you think about the color so far?
I like it. I like purple.
Yeah, I love.
Is that why you wore this?
That's not. That's.
Did you know?
What? Did you know? I also wore these.
Oh my goodness! Of course you would.
Woo!
Matching pants for every outfit. This guy. Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Okay.
Here we go. Let's open this.
Go ahead.
Here.
Hello.
Hello. Ooh.
It says hello.
Okay, the box says hello. It has these two little pull arrows on the side, so let's pull them. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Pull it open.
Yeah, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh my God. Okay,
wow.
Okay.
Like,
so let's be careful here. I'm just gonna lift it. Oh damn, this is thin.
Heavy.
It's
Even
thin,
the box
though.
is heavy. Oh.
Oh.
That's a lot thinner than I thought it was gonna be. So is the whole computer in this?
This is all the computer. Look at this. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's just take it off.
Don't dislike the plastic. I guess you gotta do it. Oh wow, hello. It's so friendly.
Wow, they put like a hello on top of it?
Yeah, look, they put the plastic on it. Is there any way you could just take the front off and not the back?
This is beautiful. Okay, so here, what I'm gonna do is actually give you the responsibility.
It smells new too.
Plasticky, metallic. Okay, here, I'm gonna hand this off to you. Can you carefully carry this? Because I'm gonna get rid of the box. Okay. Just be like secure it. Okay. Grab it. Yes, thank you. Good job, baby. Okay. Good job. Okay, hold on.
Hurry.
Hold on.
Hurry.
This is massive.
Oh!
It's big, y'all. Oh.
You hit the lights back there. Be careful.
Okay. Here's the other thing.
Wait, what else is in the box, though?
I'm gonna grab it. Hold on. take off the off the wrapping while I'm down here. Take off the wrapping.
No, you can do that.
What? Okay.
You know how I don't like taking off the paper. I'm just gonna say,
Oh, I have to bring this up to get all the other accessories.
A little bit. Oh, hello. Hello.
Wait. I have to sorry.
Ow.
I have to bring this back up to get all the
That's
accessories
what I'm saying.
out.
You have to show everyone what's in the box.
Well, okay, here. I'm
Here, how about, okay, so we show them this.
Okay.
You can show the rest. How about that?
Okay, let's, okay. Should we, before we do this, let's get the accessories, okay? Check this out. Here, I'm gonna put this in the center again. This is chaotic, y'all.
There's a lot going on right now.
This is real time. We don't play. Okay.
There's a lot going on.
So, look at this. Honey, are you for real?
No, stop.
Okay. Okay, so accessories come with the iMac, M1 iMac. I want to see it, but okay. Unveil. I'll let you unveil this. Lift it up.
Wow. There's a lot of stuff going on in there.
So this is...
Even the keyboard is purple.
That's what I'm saying.
That's so cute.
Okay. There are a lot of...
That's my description word for these cute things.
Oh, let's do it again.
Oh, it's so flat.
You ready? Ooh. Ooh.
I'll be keeping this for future use.
Yeah, right, Asian. Get back over here. Okay, so this is the thing. I don't know if you know, but a lot of the tech audience, it was super polarizing that these were colors. Like people were like, I don't like colors, and they were
Why?
mad. Look, everyone teach their own, but
they also sell ones without colors, so can't you just get one without?
you could. So this is USB-C keyboard here. It also has Touch ID right here in this top corner. So like for purchases, and right, you can just go whoop.
So this has a Touch ID, but my phone cannot have one of those things.
Ooh, shots fired. Are you listening, Apple?
Pow, pow.
This is
Bring back the touch button.
This is your normal consumer here.
Let me be real. I still have an iPhone 8 Plus, and I will not upgrade because I don't want to get rid of that home button.
Nope. Oh, this is amazing. So the USB cable here for the keyboard is also cloth, but it's also color-coded.
But it's also colored. That's nice.
Oh my.
So you know which one belongs to the computer and which one belongs to the phone.
That's true, but it's a fabric wrapped. Feel that, so it doesn't tangle. Here, hold it out here.
How does it not tangle?
Because the friction on it, the way that the fabric wrapped cables, they tend to not tangle as much.
Oh, because you know the special way of wrapping. I don't know how to
over under. Okay, here we go. Next up.
Next.
How about
that one's also colored too.
This is really cool. So this is exciting. So this is the power cable. Let me just open it up here for people.
Oh, it's heavy.
Well, that's the power adapter and the power cable, but this is also, whoops.
Oh, I feel so bad you're taking all the wrapping off. It's so nice.
It's fine. Ooh, something flew off. But this is also the power cable to the iMac. But what's cool, it's purple as well, right? Light purple. But check this out. So you know how a lot of times you have the Ethernet connection on the machine? See how thin this is?
Yes.
They put it here on the power adapter so you don't have a cord running to the back of your machine. So it's just down on the floor with the power adapter.
Oh.
What do you think of that?
That's cool. Look, it's a hidden Mickey. Did they do that on purpose?
No.
Oh. I was like, oh yeah.
They're in cahoots with Disney, right?
Exactly.
So,
I was like, oh, good job.
Hidden Mickey, y'all.
I found the hidden Mickey.
That's actually pretty funny. Okay, so we have that on the side here. Also, okay, what? These are stickers. Let's show you them.
Like, I thought we were doing this.
Okay, here, open up, take them.
What do you want to save it for?
I want you to open up.
Go ahead.
Just do it.
Fine.
But do it out here so the camera can see it, yeah.
Oh, look.
Ooh.
Oh, they're nice. Did you know that they were colored?
There's different ones. So this one,
blue? Oh, no,
this
purple?
one's like a kind of a matches the back side. It's a stronger color blue.
Oh,
this one is more of the metallic. So you get two stickers that are kind of color toned based on the two color tones of them on iMac. That's, everyone was thinking, oh, there's gonna be a white sticker in there.
I know, that's boring. Let's change it up. I
like that. Mm-hmm. I like that. Okay. All the people that were like mad at me, like, I hate these colored iMacs. I think you're turning around.
Well, how many people?
I think you're coming around. A lot. A lot of people just want a silver space gray one, which I think.
So do they not provide a silver option?
There is a generic silver one. Yes, there is.
Oh, well, then just get that one then.
Thank you. Okay.
Give everyone a choice. Everyone belongs.
Okay. Thanks. Thanks. iMac equality. We have eracism over here. Eracism. Just wipe it away. Get it?
Bad joke.
Oh, it's supposed to be funny. My friends used to laugh at that.
You can cut that part out. Yeah, no, it's not gonna work. Cut it out.
Okay. Power cable with your hidden Mickey.
With a hidden Mickey number 2.
Right there. Okay. All right.
What's this?
Grab it. Yeah. What do you think that is?
Is it a mouse?
It's the touchpad. Yeah, like a touchpad. Yeah, trackpad. So open it up.
Oh, here we go, guys. My least favorite part. Taking off plastic.
You have to take the plastic.
Oh, I don't want to rip it.
Just take it off.
It's like when I open presents, I like to do it not like haphazard. Like, you know.
This is the longest time I've ever seen someone unbox, unwrap.
Voila.
Voila. So here we go, everybody. Your trackpad also has kind of the, what'd you call it, more like, not a lavender, but you just got ombre?
No, ombre, like the different colors. This is more like a periwinkle.
Periwinkle.
Is that what you would call it?
Yeah.
This is kind of like a lavender, but that's more like a blue.
It's true.
Lavender.
But I'm themed. Okay, and the last one, grab this thing.
Oh, it's the mouse.
This is so fun. This all these little
click.
accessories. Ooh. Ooh.
Hello.
Oh, that's slick. So white on top. Lavendery periwinkle on the bottom. And yes, you will still, it does charge through USB, but you'll still need to charge it this way. Or lightning, sorry. Lightning. You know, people are gonna correct me that the accessories do not charge over USB, they're lightning. They're USB-C to lightning, so here you go.
Okay.
You like how to charge that? No, people are gonna call me out. They trust me. It's the internet. It's the internet.
Call them out. Comments below. Is that what the internet people say?
Yeah, comments below.
Let me know. Comments below.
I think that's everything. I think that's all the accessories.
So heavy?
It's a big box.
Are you sure they don't have anything else?
Okay,
I feel like
careful.
there's one more thing.
No.
1 second. Can I look at this while you do this thing?
Okay, but I'm gonna close it up. I'm gonna close it up. Okay, let's get to the main course. Oh, this is so nice.
Shake it. See if there's one more thing in there. There's always one more thing.
Oh, dude.
We'll discover something later then.
So let's bring this to the center now. So this is beautiful. I can't remember off the top of my head. I think it was it 11.2 or 11.4 inches millimeters thick. That's crazy. Like, this is the thing. I remember
super thin though. For it to all be in this computer, that's crazy to me.
That's what I'm saying. I remember telling people that they were going to be surprised by how thin it was. I didn't even know how thin it was going to look, but in person, the fact that this is all in here, and yes, there is a chin where all the components are. This is hot, and also look at how much space it's going to take on a table or a desk.
Really nothing.
Yeah.
I feel like something's missing. It's so thin. Like it's thinner than my laptop.
Ooh, yeah, actually,
right?
yeah, it is. It is.
And it fits everything all in here, all the technology, all the computer stuff.
That's so crazy. Okay.
We've got it all in one.
So let's take off. Say goodbye to the. Should we take off the back first? Let's take off the back first.
Yeah.
Can we?
You want to flip it over?
Here,
show them the tab.
Oh yeah. So yeah, here's the 360 rotation of it all.
Wow.
Okay.
That looks really nice on camera.
Look at how thin it to win it.
Wow.
Was that a good one?
Hold on. How do you show the thinness of it? Yeah.
Okay. All right. Here, let's have you peel off the backing. It's this one.
Oh, okay. Do you want to do it frontwards first to show your
How about
friends?
this? Okay. Should I?
All right,
I get this on my side? Ready?
Here we go. Plastic's going away.
Hold on.
Plastic. Goodbye.
Am I doing this right? Yeah.
There's a lot.
Ooh. Let's take it off. Take it off. Damn.
It's more like that.
It looks like a. Is it a?
That is really. I like it. That's really pretty. Can they make? Did they make laptops like that?
Maybe. MacBook Airs. Rumors. Well, there's rumors, but oh my god.
When I was a child, my friend.
This is beautiful.
Shadi, she had a colored laptop and colored computer from Apple, so I think that's really cool.
I'm trying to get the light to hit it. I mean, again, this is gorgeous.
Wow.
Okay, so let's have you, because I think it's on your side, is it? I'm going to have you, actually, let's trade places. We're trading places. She's not impressed because she hears it all the time. Okay, so you can pull that part and then just pull it across this way.
Which way, this way?
Yeah, we'll trade places again. Okay, ready? Pull it.
Hold on, we didn't do anything.
You didn't even have long enough arms. Okay, grab it. Oh, this reveal is so sexy. Ooh, go. Oh, good lord.
Oddly satisfied. Look at how shiny that is. Wow.
So nice. This is so nice.
So do I keep this too? I'm gonna keep this just in case.
Yeah, I guess. I mean, just.
Yeah, you never know. You never know you're gonna need it. Hey, don't collect
It's fine.
dust
It's
on
fine.
that
It's fine.
thing.
It's fine. It's fine.
Screen protector.
Take a look now,
oh,
baby.
there's more. There's more.
Oh, the edge. The edge. Okay,
yeah, there's a
peel it. Peel
arrow.
it. Let's go. Ooh.
Oh.
This is like. What is this like when you peel this type of stuff off?
This is more like a blue.
Like a
when I look at it,
yeah.
it's more. It looks like royal blue from certain angles.
It does. It does. It has a more bluish tint to it than a purple tint.
It's pretty though.
It's beautiful.
I think it's pretty.
Okay, got that off, and then there is one more like plasticky thing here on the back, kind of in the hinge area.
Okay.
Back here. So, how do we do it? Oh, I think I just pull down.
Oh wow, this is purple too. That's pretty.
So here we go.
This is really pretty. I like it. Wow.
See, when people see this on camera, like just like in person, I think it totally looks different in person than it did at their demos. I mean, this is gorgeous.
It
wow. So these, the iMac 24-inch, it has an M1 chip in it. So basically the fastest processor that you can find right now. This model is specifically, I believe it's the upgrade, which is $1499 because it has 2 Thunderbolt ports here and then 2 additional USB ports on there. So that's 4 total. And then I didn't check the capacity that they sent me, but this is the violet purple one. Babe, scale of 1 to 10, what do you think?
10.
10?
Yeah.
Damn.
10 for how it looks.
Aesthetics.
And just, I'm impressed by how thin it is. And if you're telling me this is the whole computer, like you can carry that around with you if you wanted. It's so thin.
It's gonna look awesome. I mean, we're not gonna be able to power it up yet. We gotta set it up. This is just the unboxing. But there you have it. Starts at $12.99. This model here with the additional ports is $14.99. You can do different types of upgrades on it. But there you have it. You heard it from the lady. Here, tippy toe so they can see it. 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
M1 iMac.
And it's the same price as a laptop?
Hey, this is how it's going now. Crazy.
Wow.
I love this. All right.
See, I don't know any of this stuff. I'm a normal person, normal consumer. I'm just amazed. I do like the colors though. They got me.
Yeah.
And the hidden Mickey.
And look, I thought I'd match, but I don't.
He kind of matches. He kind of matches.
I tried.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you guys.
Bye-bye.
For those of you that really want it, there, fixed it.